war had various impacts in the lives of the community. It has deteriorated their economic activities, so people were not able to cultivate enough food for themselves. It is a very poor community setup. There was no direct support to the mothers while bringing up their babies and children. People lost so many things. The Parent Support Group is an innovative initiative that seeks to improve on the nutrition of these mothers and their children. I've now known Mary for the last 1 year.
My name is Mary, and my youngest are twin boys that are 6 months old. The Parent Support Group has taught me how to prepare a balanced diet for my family.
In this community, there's really high stigma and discrimination with persons living with disability.
My disability is on my back and chest. I did not grow up happily because all along I have been suffering from a lot of pain and lack of love.
What Mary is feeling now is quite good because now the mothers and other colleagues gives her emotional support.
When I was elected to be the group member of a model home, I felt empowered, and I started having enough hope that the community values me. I am no longer lonely. I stay with friends.
Francis is the husband-to-be leader of the group.
I'm Francis.
I'm Francis. What I appreciate so much about my wife Susan is that through educating others in the group, she has the knowledge to improve our family's life. It is important to involve men because children have to be taken care of as couples, not single-handedly. One of the impacts from the Parent Support Group is it has built stronger relationships among the group itself and among the couples.
Each and every member of the group visits the peers.
Mary is a mother who has been identified with a model home, and now she also has a backyard garden. I can see the knowledge from the monthly meetings is helping her a lot in how to care for her children together with her husband.
And their members help each other, guide each other.
The skills a husband should have are love for his home, love for his children, and of course, love for his wife. If you love people, their future will be improved, especially for the children.
I think that the way we all join together is good.
Parent Support Group.
Parent Support Group makes me so happy because I've learnt so many things.
I am very happy because we are working together. Without working together, nothing can be done.